Alright, I'm going to start by taking out the battery to get more space to this area. So I'm going to take out the battery real quick, just two 10mm sockets and a 13 for the clamp down below. So there are 5 T20 Torx bits around the airbox. There's one here, 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 and there. So you want to take those off. Before you take it completely off, it's probably best to disconnect this sensor first, as this top part's going to come off before the bottom. There we go. Just have to push back on the clip a little bit. I'm going to continue taking off the rest of the bolts for the airbox. That last one is really back there, so I'm going to try to take this off first before I get to the last one. Alright, I've got that off. Now I can hopefully get that final screw out. That should be all of them, so I'm going to try to take this off now. There we go. As you see here, there's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screw holes. Here's the last screw that just got out. Alright, so now I'm just going to take off the other screw here to get the sensor off. Alright, got the screw out. You can then just pull this out. Well, you should be able to. Why it doesn't want to come out right now, I don't know. Alright, it's just kind of a long piece, so you just have to wiggle it and pull it for a bit, but eventually it comes out. So I'm going to set this to one side because we're going to reuse this. Now in here it looks like there's only one screw down here and this cold air feed that looks like it's holding in this. So I'm going to remove that screw over there and pull this piping off and see if it comes out. Alright, by the looks of it, a T30 fits in there. Now, I just don't think the screw can actually come out of it. So it's untightened, but I think it just stays in the actual airbox thing. So now I'm going to try to disconnect this pipe here by just pulling on it. And there we go, just disconnected. I'm going to wiggle this about and see if it comes out. feels as though something in the back right side is stopping it from coming out. This piece off. Alright, I've pulled off this piece. So now there's more room. And now it's come out. So this is what was given all the resistance. I don't know what this is, to be honest. Probably, I'm not even going to guess what it is because I just don't know, so I'm not going to even try and guess. So, yeah. But now this is out, you can set that to one side. Alright, so you just want to put it back exactly how it was stock, but just with the new parts. So this sensor is going to go onto here and screw into there with the screws that they provide you in the kit, like that. So I'm just going to quickly put this all together and then put it back in the car. Alright, that's on there tight now. So that's all nice and secured. So that's now all put together. So as you can see if you guys can see it. So you can see it's all put together now. It's going to sit in the car, like imagine if you're looking at the engine bay from here, it's going to sit in the car like this. So on the factory airbox, there was some like rubber grommets and stuff in like here and in this place. So I'm going to try to see if I can transfer those over onto this, just so that when I put it back in, it all fits together properly. There we go. That's in nice and flush. just like stock. So that is almost ready to go back in the car. There's one more thing we've got to do. And that is to put back on this long tube. That's gonna fit onto here in this gap. So I'm just gonna push it off. I can only get it in so much, so hopefully that's good enough. I'm gonna put this back into the car. Alright, now here's the good part of putting it all back together again. So let's hope this works. That's going to roughly sit there. I'm going to connect this pipe at the front again. You may notice that it sits a bit lower now than how it did in the video previously, and that's because at the back, what I didn't realise is there was that thing down there that sticks out. Yeah, that little thing there that you can just about see near the bottom left of the screen, but that sticks out. There's a hole in this for you to run that through so it doesn't interfere, which I didn't realise at first. So I had this sitting on top of it, so it was really high up. So just be wary of that. Put it through the hole so you can fit this through, then it will sit nicely. So everything is literally all done now. So now here's the fun part, but just starting it up, seeing what it sounds like and if it's good, and hoping that I did everything correctly. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now.